Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your account and presence so people want to join you. Make sure you pick Java versus Bedrock based on who you want to play with. Once done, set a clear username and friendly avatar so others recognize you. Enable Xbox Live and Realms or link accounts to allow invites. This avoids connection problems. You'll also set privacy to allow friend requests. These first steps let you start inviting and being invited right away without technical delays. You now move into active discovery and engagement. Search Discord servers, Reddit threads, and curated Minecraft servers that match your style, survival, build, or minigames, and join 1 to 3 of the busiest ones. Introduce yourself in text and voice channels, share screenshots, and ask to team up. People respond to clear invites. Once involved, play consistently 3 to 5 times per week to become familiar and trusted. This steady presence converts strangers into regular teammates and friends. You finish by turning acquaintances into lasting friends through reliable, friendly behavior. Host short co-op sessions with clear goals, build, raid, or mini-goals, and invite people you've chatted with. Consistency matters. Offer help, trade useful items, and use voice chat when comfortable to strengthen bonds. If issues arise, make sure to troubleshoot connection problems. Check NAT type, server whitelist, and conflicting mods. If invites fail, relink accounts and retry. Do this and social play becomes repeatable and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.